Hey there, and thanks for tuning in. In this video, we'll show you how to view all the posts you've liked on Instagram using your Android phone. It's a quick and easy process that can help you find favorite posts or even unlike them if needed. Let's get started right away. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Now, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Your Activity. Next, tap on Likes. Here you'll see a grid of all the posts you've previously liked. If you want to unlike any of these posts, tap Select at the top right corner. Then, tap on the posts you want to unlike to check them. After selecting the posts, tap Unlike at the bottom of the screen. Confirm by tapping Unlike again, and the posts will be unliked successfully. And that's it. Now you know how to manage your liked posts on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching. See you soon!